In this video, let me show you how to fix a black screen issue with your iPad Air M4. There's a few things you can try depending what's the issues. One of them will work. So the first thing you need to try is very simple. If you cannot do anything on the display, it stays black, you'll need to do a combination of keys very quickly, okay? Volume up, volume down, and keep press this power button. Keep it pressed no matter if something appears on the display. Keep it pressed until you see the Apple logo. Usually it takes, I would say, 12 seconds. Okay, be patient. I'm still pressing. Okay, the Apple logo came. You can release the button and the iPad will boot up normally. Sometimes the screen could be frozen with a black screen, and this is the method to unlock it and do a restart. It will not delete anything. It's not a reset. If this didn't work, and you can try multiple times, okay, volume up, volume down, and keep press that power button at least 20 seconds. If nothing works, the second thing I suggest is try charging your iPad with another cable, with another charger, and also in another wall outlet. Test out your setup, okay, your charger with cable with your phone or maybe your friend's phone or a computer. Make sure that it works and then plug your iPad and wait at least 2 hours. If the battery of your iPad is completely depleted and has been depleted for a longer period of time, it will take time to charge it. So give it at least 2 hours. If you can, put this overnight to charge, and in the morning or after 2 hours, start your iPad by doing the same trick I showed you previously. So volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button while still maintaining the power cable connected to it. Fortunately, after doing this, everything will work. Now, another thing you can do is to check the USB port over here. Over time, there's lint, there are debris, many things that can get inside. And sometimes if you have debris, again, and you try to plug a cable, you're going to simply push those debris deeper, and the cable, the power cable, will not connect to the iPad fully. So that's why your iPad was not able to charge. So take a look, and with a toothpick, something very small, nothing in metal, with a toothbrush as well, you can start cleaning the inside of this port. If you see something there, there's a good chance that this was forbidding the iPad to actually charge. If you have any other tips, please leave a comment down below, or if one of these worked, I want to know. So comment, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next one.